Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to make the perfect thick and glossy slime with only 3 ingredients. I've tried getting the perfect thick slime so many different ways, and this one is personally my favorite, and it has very basic ingredients that you don't have to order from Amazon or wait like a bunch of days for the slime to gloss up. It's a super simple recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Here are all the supplies you're going to need. So first you're going to need a container to put your slime in after it's made, a mixing bowl and spatula that are non-stick, a 1 cup measuring cup, and a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon. Then you're going to need white PVA glue. I'm using Elmer's. You're going to need about 8 ounces of this. And then you're going to need borax powder to activate your slime, 5 ounces of clear PVA glue. This is the normal Elmer's clear glue bottle size. And then you're also going to need lotion to make your slime really nice and stretchy. Final 2 things you're going to need is a mug and also a cup of hot water. Now let's get started by making our activator. Activator is a solution that you add to your glue to turn your glue into slime. To make it, all you need is 1 teaspoon of borax, and then you're going to dissolve it in 1 cup of boiling hot water. This will dilute the borax powder so that this glue doesn't turn chunky. And maybe don't pour a bunch of hot water on your table like me. Then you're going to mix your activator until all of the borax is dissolved, and then put it onto the side to cool. Now we're going to start making the actual slime. Start off by pouring 1 cup of white PVA glue into your measuring cup and then into your bowl. Don't forget to scoop out all of the glue so that you don't waste any. And then we're going to use the 5-ounce bottle of our clear PVA glue. The reason clear PVA glue is included in this white glue slime recipe is because when clear glue clears up, it has a much glossier surface than white glue. So incorporating clear glue into our slime will allow it to have a much shinier look after it's sat for a while. Then we're just going to add some lotion. This is just going to make our slime a little bit more stretchy and soft. Then you're going to stir up the mixture. Make sure when you're incorporating all of the ingredients together, you mix it until there are no more streaks left. I don't know why, but when I was mixing the ingredients together initially, it seemed to almost activate the slime. I don't know if it was because there was baking soda or something in the lotion that might have done that. But anyways, when you start activating your slime, it's okay to add maybe 2 teaspoons of activator at a time because the slime is literally glue still. But after a while, you're going to want to add less and less activator as you need the knots out of the slime. The slime will be super gooey, but underneath you'll find that there's a bunch of strings need to be stretched out. So after kneading the slime for about 10 minutes, this is the consistency. Initially, your slime is going to have a few bubbles and it's not going to have the optimal glossiness. Because you did just make it, you whipped a bunch of air bubbles into it, but straight out of the bowl, I think this recipe makes a very nice, thick and glossy slime. It has a really nice shine to it, and I feel that the slime has a really thick, pillowy texture, which is super fun to stretch and swirl. It's also really nice for pokes, but if you want your slime a little bit more stretchy, you can always add a little bit more lotion. I like that this recipe doesn't take any glue all. I personally prefer the texture of school glue over glue all, and I also think glue all is a little bit harder to find than normal school glue. Other ingredients that you can add to this slime to make it even more special is you can add fragrance oils. There are a lot of different options. You can use essential oils or you can use like candle scents, which I think a few people do. I don't know how safe that is for your skin, but there's also a really nice brand on Amazon called P&J Trading, which also has amazing fragrances. I honestly like having a plain white slime. I know a lot of people think it's very basic, but I just really like it. Then I have some labels around my house, so I just wrote a name for it that I then added to the container. I named this one Cereal Milk after Parakeet Slime's bestseller. It's her shop's bestseller, and it's scented like cereal milk, and it's a white, thick, and glossy slime. So yeah, I think it's a very common name that a lot of people use for white, thick, and glossy slimes. Overall, this texture has quickly become one of my favorites, and it's one of the classic slime textures that I think it's always going to be good. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, and thank you so much for watching. Come in, baby. Come in. Come in, Lay. Say hi. Brrr. She won't say hi. Lay, say hi. She's running away. Lay.